Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex certified pre-owned GMT-Master 2 Lefty. It is the 2022 launched 126720 VTNR, the first ever Lefty GMT and first ever with a compound black and green cerachrom bezel. So the watch is 40 millimeters in diameter. I measure it 12.4 millimeters thick, 48 lug-to-lug, 49.7 from end link to end link with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. We'll open up the clasp, which features both a clamshell lock and a spring-loaded lift lock system, so it's double locking. We'll throw this on my wrist. It is ambidextrous. It is a common misconception that this watch is designed specifically for people who are left-handed. I'm right-handed. It wears just fine. It's flat enough to fit under a cuff, and it's short enough across the wrist that I could recommend this for a wrist as small as 14 centimeters in circumference. My wrist is 16, and you can see I have no problem with lug overlap beyond the wrist. Jubilee bracelet. This is something that's been offered for most periods of the GMT Master's history. The original 6-digit reference from 05 to 2018 did not offer this as an option, but it is back, and it contributes to somewhat offbeat appearance of this watch, since in modern times the Oyster is more common on GMT Masters. 904L steel, high nickel content, extremely resistant to corrosion. It does not even have to be rinsed after exposure to sea salt. The Jubilee is a 5-link design with a conforming end link, polished centers, large flanking links that taper down towards the clasp. Removable links on both sides are fixed by screws. You can also see the clasp made of thick gauge 904L steel. It has this spring-loaded lift lock system that's the first locking factor. When that goes down, so does the clamshell. It's a little kerf to dig your nail out. This actually won't open like this. You've got to lift it and unlatch it. Inside, even though this is the Jubilee, you can't quite see it, but it's got the Easy Link 5 millimeter snap-in, snap-out tool-free adjustment system. It's actually filled in by the little hang tag string right there, but it's there. 5 millimeters in out without tools. There's also 3 pairs of divots, so you can change the anchoring point of the bracelet and the clasp and fine-tune the fit. The case is 100 meters water resistant. We got a triple lock crown and steel. You know that because there's 3 dots. They're all symmetrical. Screwed in Oyster case back inside the case. Caliber 3285, bidirectional automatic winding. Liga formed nickel phosphorus chronergy escapement, 70-hour power reserve. It's got a 12 and 24-hour independent time zone function, 4 hertz beat rate, 31 joules, hacking seconds, full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance, cerachrom blue anti-magnetic blue oxidized niobium zirconium hairspring for resistance to magnetic fields. That hairspring is a Breguet overcoil profile, so in any position this watch will keep consistent time. Now this movement is a COSC certified Swiss chronometer, but it's more. Rolex cases up the certified movement, tests it to run no worse than -2 +2 seconds per 24 hours. That is the superlative chronometer standard. That's why it says superlative chronometer on the dial. So there's lots to love there. It has Rolex's own Paraflex shock protection system, so it's shock resistant, anti-magnetic, and 100 meters water resistant. The watch also features a dial of black lacquer with white gold hands and indices, so they won't tarnish or oxidize with time. We have this little green varnished 24-hour hand, and I mentioned that there are 2 different time zones, and indeed on a GMT Master 2 you can move the local hand independently from the 24-hour hand. You see, when they're synchronized and you're setting them together, now I'm in hacking seconds mode, they are mechanically geared together with the local moving at twice the speed of the GMT hand. Now let's say, for example, it is 12 o'clock in Greenwich, and then it's 4 a.m. where I am. But I want to calculate a destination airfield time, so a third time zone. Well, let's do this. Let's say the destination is a place that is GMT +3. Well, again, I look at my 24-hour hand, which is set to Greenwich Mean Time. +3 is 1, 2, 3. So it will be 1500 at that destination airport. 1500 GMT. Okay. Now, if I want to subtract, let's say it's GMT minus, you just turn in the opposite direction. Now you turn clockwise. The cerachrom ceramic bezel is extremely scratch resistant. We have PVD deposit of platinum for all of the characters, so these numerals and indices will not dull or tarnish or oxidize over time. You can see the watch features a combination of satin on the lug hoods, polish on the flanks, and then the bezel with polished top and then satin flanks outboard with a nice sharp knurling that makes it easy to grip, and 24 detents as you turn it in either direction. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.